speak some English. I can speak some Persian. And
Are you from Tajikistan?
what the
Tajikistan.
fuck? Yes. How you get it? How?
Because I think Tajikistan is next to Xinjiang.
Okay,
so
okay, yeah. So you see, in China, it's like the one region is called wait, how is called it? Xinjiang, you know, Xinjiang.
yeah, and you look like Uyghur.
No, I'm not
know
Uyghur.
Uyghur?
No, I'm not Uyghur. I'm Tajik. Uyghur people, they Turkish
I
people.
know.
They look like Chinese, lot of them, you know. But oh, maybe I'm look like a Uyghur, but nobody told me like, hey, you look like Uyghur, maybe. So whatever. Near Uyghur people, they're living some Tajik as well, you know, in China.
Yeah,
But
I know.
you're most
Yeah, I